Good morning, students. Now let us look the set B of the test series of complex variable and vector series. As discussed earlier also, if here we have already given the 12 questions and student can choose any 10 question of their own choice. Every question has the equal weightage of the marks, and out of 4 options you have to select any one option. At the end of this video, I have already given all the question on one page for the sake of just to facilitate you if you require every question on one page. It is also suggested in the meanwhile, by viewing two questions on every PPT, it is already given on one page. You can pause the video and you can attempt the problem as per your convenience. Now the first question is to choose the correct answer of any 10 questions of your choice. This is already the rider that will be applied on every question. And the analytic function fz is equal to u plus iota v has real part u is equal to e power x sin y is. The first option is e power z plus c, second is iota e power z plus c, third is minus iota e power z plus c, and fourth is none of these. The second question is the function fz is equal to mod of z square is not analytic first, second is analytic, third does not satisfy the CR equation at 0, 0, and fourth none of these. The third question is the nature of singularity of sign 1 divided by z plus 1 is. The options are given: z is equal to minus 1 is a pole of order 1, second z is equal to minus 1 is an essential singularity, third is z is equal to minus 1 is an removable singularity, and fourth is none of these. The fourth question is the nature of singularity of fz is equal to z e power 1 by z square is. First, z is equal to 0 is a pole of order 2, second z is equal to 0 is an essential singularity, third z is equal to 0 is an removable singularity, and fourth none of these. The fifth question here, the equation of the tangent plane to the surface at 2, 0, 2 is: first, x minus y minus z is 0, 2x minus z is equal to 2, third is 3x plus y minus 2z is equal to 2, and fourth is none of these. The sixth question is for function fz is equal to 1 minus e power z divided by z power 4 r0 is. The first option is 1, second is 1 by 6, third is minus 1 by 6, and fourth is none. Now seventh problem is a vector field with a vanishing curve is called as. First option is irrotational, second is solenoidal, third is rotational, and fourth is cycloidal. Now eighth question is, if f is equal to x square plus y square plus z square minus 8, then gradient phi at 2, 0, 2 is: first, iota plus 4k, second, iota plus j plus k, third, 4 iota plus k, and fourth, none of these. Now ninth question is, if c is the ellipse 9x square plus 4y square is equal to 36, then the value of this line integral 4z square minus z plus 5 dz divided by z minus 4 is: first, 0, second 130 pi iota, third 65 pi iota, and fourth none. 10th question is, if f is equal to 3x minus 2y plus z iota plus 4x plus ay minus zj plus x minus y plus 2zk is solenoidal, then the value of a is: first option is minus 7, second option is minus 5, third option is 5, fourth option is none. Now the 11th question is, if f is equal to x square iota plus y square z plus z square k plus, and V is the region bounded by the cube x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 1, y is 0 to y is equal to 1, z is 0 to z is equal to 1, then this triple integral over the closed curve C del f dv is: first option is 4, second is 30, third is 5, fourth is none. 12th question and last question of this MCQ series is: the unit normal to the surface xy square z cube is equal to 1 at the point 1, 1 is. The first option is iota plus 2j plus 3k, second is iota plus 2j plus 3k divided by under root 11, third is iota plus 2j plus 3k divided by under root 14, and fourth is none of these. At the end, on one page, all the problems are already given. So you can look every problem, it is already given here, except problem number 12. Problem number 12 you can view from there.